Hi everyone! Today I show you my next 3D print. Just a reminder, I have a Bamboo Lab 1 A1 mini 3D printer. And I show you this one. I made this wall decor. It is for the wall. There are many similar projects on the internet, but I needed a dog. This, an American bulldog. There was no ready file for dog online for this dog. So I made this file by myself. In one of the next videos, I will show you how to make simple projects yourself like this and what you need for it. This dog has a minimum this dog has a maximum size of 18 by 18 centimeter and the thickness is 3 millimeters. This dog has a maximum size of my printer. I think it is a good result and nice print. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.